Succeeding at interviews. Interviews can be quite difficult and can become quite a task to prepare for, but this video will give you some top tips on how to succeed in them, things to avoid, and some general insights for interviews. This video is specific for interviews within the legal profession, but can apply to most interviews. Research. So research is the absolute foundation for any good interview. So firstly, research the organisation and the interviewers if you know who they are. Have a look at the relevant websites, social media, and any articles produced. Definitely understand the role that you're applying for. This is super important. Feel free to use AI. AI can produce some really good results when it comes to research. And dig deeper, so really understand the role that you're working towards and the organisation that you'll be working for. Preparation. So preparation is really important. So firstly, you can practice the actual questions you might be asked. So think about the key skills that a question might showcase. Think of things like leadership, teamwork, resilience, and more. Think about the key experiences that you may have put down in your application, so be familiar with them. And actually practice the actual interview. So you can either look at yourself in the mirror and practice answering questions. You can record yourself. You can even write things down. This is a good way to memorize things subconsciously. Technical questions. So depending on the level of the role you're applying for, you may be asked some technical questions. So this could be in relation to something very specific. It could be a specific experience. It could be an area of law. It could be key legislation if there is new legislation in that specific area that you're practicing. Or it could be organization specific. So this is where research and preparation become really important. Easy wins. So these are a list of very easy things you can do to really set yourself apart from other candidates. So be on time, a really easy thing for anyone to do. Know the actual role that you're applying for. Again, research and understand the organisation you're working for. Know your application, so really understand and know the answer that you provided. Build rapport. So you want to impress in the interview, so building rapport is something you can do from start to end. And last but not least, ask good questions. Asking good questions allows you to really present yourself in a really positive light. It shows that you're actually thinking and care about the role. Things to avoid at an interview. So firstly, punctuality. It's such an easy win to be on time, so don't be late as it sets a really bad precedent for that relationship. 2, don't be too generic. There'll be multiple questions in an interview, so make sure you separate out your experiences and skills so you have different answers for each one. Link to the above, repeating examples. An interview is actually quite a short period of time. It's your chance to explain your skills and expertise for a specific role, so don't repeat those examples. And last but not least, eye contact. Appreciate it could be a very nervous time during an interview. However, maintain some good eye contact with your interviewer and maintain it throughout the interview. Watch this space for more exciting content.